Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. Nowadays, depression has almost reached the roots of our society and is destroying it from within. So it's very important for all of us to come up and try to find out right ways to deal with it. In this video, I will talk about symptoms of depression, how you can know whether you or somebody else is suffering from depression or not. And I will also explain certain ways that can help to deal with it. So let's begin the video. Depression is basically a mood disorder that can affect how you feel, think and handle your daily activities. Now depression is very different from grief or sadness. It's very normal to feel sad or low in certain situations of life, but if you are feeling low and hopeless most of the times, then you might be suffering from depression. First of all, let's talk about the symptoms of depression. Persistent feeling of sadness, hopelessness or pessimism might be a sign of depression. Then you might also lose interest in your hobbies or even in your daily activities. You might also not enjoy the company of your family and friends. Depressed person might feel irritable most of the time. Then you might also feel low energy levels and fatigues most of the time throughout the day. Then the person with depression will also find it difficult to concentrate, focus or to remember things. He will also find difficult to make decisions. Then for certain people, drug abuse and thoughts of death or suicide might also be there. Then the sleep patterns might also get disturbed. You might oversleep or you might find it difficult to fall asleep. To consider oneself depressed, these symptoms should be present most of the day, nearly every day for at least 2 weeks. As we have talked about the symptoms of depression, let's come to the ways that can help you to deal with it. As the root cause of depression lies within our mind, so is its treatment. Whenever we talk about physical health, the two things that we generally talk about is our diet and exercise. Same is with our mental health. Whenever it comes to our mental health, the two things that matters the most is mental diet and mental exercise. Now what is mental diet? Whatever we see, hear, say, do, whatever we consume with our 5 sense organs becomes our mental diet. When we mostly consume negative thoughts and negative things, like either in the form of information or for the knowledge sake, whenever we consume negative things constantly, like when we watch negative news or watch violent programs or there are situations around us that are quite negative, all these things becomes our mental diet and they affect our mental health. Now to improve our mental health and to come out of depression, the first thing that we need to do is to feed our mind with positive thoughts. We can read positive books, we can do affirmations, we can watch good positive programs, but we have to constantly feed our mind with positive thoughts. But this thing we have to do regularly. Nothing is going to happen in a day or two. It will take time, but it can happen. After mental diet is mental exercise. In contrast to our bodies which are becoming less and less physically active each day, our minds are becoming hyperactive. So the best mental exercise that you can do is to relax your mind. And the thing that can do wonders to relax your mind is meditation. Initially, you might find it difficult to meditate because our minds are not habitual to stillness anymore. So as a beginner, you can start with any positive guided meditation. See, as it's not easy to exercise regularly and to eat healthy on a physical level, it's not easy on a mental level too. It's hard to do, but it needs to be done. The next thing that you can do to deal with depression is physical exercise. Exercise temporarily boosts up the feel-good chemicals called endorphins in our body. Exercise also encourages our brain to rewire itself in positive ways. Exercise also shows long-term benefits for people with depression. Then if you are not habitual to exercise and if you don't feel like exercising in the beginning, then a simple walk can be a good start. Healthy diet may also help to deal with depression. Although there is no magic diet that can fix depression, but an overall healthy diet can help to deal with it. It is also shown that foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids and folic acid can help to ease out depression. Then you should also reduce your intake of caffeine and soda. A good quality sleep might also help you to deal with depression. Sleep disturbances are quite common among people with depression. They might find it difficult to fall asleep, or they might find it difficult to wake up in the morning. Both of these situations can worsen the symptoms of depression. So it's very important to have a fixed sleep and wake up routine for people with depression. This might help them to deal with it. Now, if you have chronic depression for a very long duration of time, then you can consider having clinical treatment for it. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching.